On May 28, President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev attended the opening of the Cultural Center in the city of Khankendi following its major overhaul. Elchin Yusupov, Special Representative of the President of the Republic of Azerbaijan in the city of Khankendi and the districts of Khojaly and Agdara, briefed the head of state on the project. The Cultural Center building in Khankendi was constructed in the 1960s and 1970s. Decades of use had resulted in extensive wear, structural deformation, and damage to its load-bearing components. As part of the comprehensive reconstruction work, the center has been equipped with the necessary facilities to host various cultural and public events, cinema and stage activities, creative workshops, training sessions, rehearsals, administrative operations, and tourism-oriented services. The three-story building includes assembly and cinema halls, a multifunctional area housing various clubs, dressing rooms, a cafeteria, a ticket office, and a souvenir shop. The center's 348-seat hall will host concerts, performances, film screenings, presentations, official meetings, and other public events. Following its modernization, the center is expected to play an important role in revitalizing the cultural life of Khankendi, a city experiencing rapid population growth and an increasing student population, by serving as a major venue for public and community events.